Your neck cracks like a glow stick every morning. Your shoulders are tighter than a jar of pickles, and you can't turn your head without sounding like Rice Krispies. That's not just getting older. That's chronic muscle tension. Sitting at desks, staring at phones, carrying stress in your shoulders, your muscles are knotted up and blood flow is restricted. Pain becomes your new normal. Chiropractors charge $100 per visit. Massage therapy costs a fortune. Heating pads barely get warm, and you still wake up in pain. But there's a solution that combines heat therapy and deep tissue massage in one portable device. This heated neck and back massager wraps around your neck, delivers deep kneading massage, and heats up to soothe inflammation and boost circulation. No appointments, no waiting rooms, just 15 minutes a day. I've been recommending it for who can barely move their neck. 3 weeks later, you feel like a new person, sleeping better, moving freely, no more constant pain. It has 3 rotating nodes that feel like real hands, soothing heat therapy, and it's rechargeable so you can use it anywhere. But right now there's a 50% off sale plus free shipping. The problem? They're always sold out. So if you want to buy, comment link below. 100% money back guarantee if you don't love it.